Afacell Plus is a powerful stem cell supernutrient, a 100% organic product that works at the cellular level. It has the ability to enter any tissue in the body, repair damaged cells, activate dormant cells, and regenerate new healthy cells, bringing the body back to normal functionality. When you treat one disease, you are treating all diseases in the body. Afacell Plus is an advanced oral stem cell product, ahead of its time, with the ability to heal and restore the body at the cellular level. It supports the body in conditions such as cataracts, sickle cell anemia, fibroids, diabetes, hypertension and hypertension, kidney and liver problems, hepatitis, ovarian tumours, stroke, piles, prostate cancer, ulcers, eczema, female and male infertility, low sperm count, leprosy, insomnia, and many more. With Afacell Plus, you can say no to chemotherapy, you can say no to dialysis, you can say no to injections, and you can say no to amputation. Afacell Plus, the ultimate repair kit for the future. 100% organic, no side effects.